Welcome back. Now, ChatGPT will behave like a tester for me. It will behave like a teacher for me, where it will ask me the questions related to any topic. Now, you have learned lot of syllabus, lot of subjects before you go for an exam. Now, you can ask ChatGPT, can you behave like a teacher? Ask me questions so I can test my knowledge, because we think we know everything, but when we actually go and implement, we do not write the exam answers properly. So let's try to see if ChatGPT can behave like a teacher for me. Okay, let's try. So let's consider I've been studying, let's say, organic chemistry recently, and I want ChatGPT to ask me 5 MCQ. MCQ stands for multiple choice questions. So I want them to ask me questions, 4 options like "Kaun banega crorepati" kind of. So I want them to ask the questions. If I'm able to answer, it should appreciate and give me the marks as well. Let's try to understand. So I have written a prompt over here. So I'll just copy this prompt and I can paste it in order to save your time. I've been studying organic chemistry recently. Can you give me quiz with 5 challenging questions about the basic fundamental principles of organic chemistry, including the mechanism, functional groups, and the isomerism? Please provide the questions first and then the answers separately. So now I can just enter here and let's see what it is trying to give it. So now here, if you see, it has given me, here are the 5 challenging questions about the principles of organic. Provide me a step-by-step mechanism for reaction between alkyne and HBr. I am not good into it, but it has given me the answers. Okay. Feel free to attempt the questions and I'll provide you the answers afterwards. Okay. So I have to give the answers over here and I'll write here as Q1 as ABC. Okay. Let's see what it is giving. So question 1 answer is the mechanism for the reaction between alkaline, and all this detail is given. Now I'll tell them that don't give me this kind of questions. Give me in MCQ format. Okay, let's see in the MCQ format, it is giving or not. Yes, it has given me in the MCQ format. Now I've got the answer. So what is the mechanism for reaction between alkyne and HBr to form the corresponding alkyl bromide? So it has given me the options, and also I can attempt the answers over here like this. Q1 I'll write as A, then Q2, shift enter, Q2B, shift enter, Q3 I'll write here as C, shift enter, Q4 as D, and Q5 as A. And then it has given me the answers. Okay. So the question 1, the correct answer is C, the correct answer is B, correct answer is C, and so on. So it has given me all the options and the answers. This is very, very interesting over here. So as a person, as a student, if you want someone to test you, you are genuinely reading, learning, and you want to see how ChatGPT is asking questions, you can also twist the question format. Ask me easy, ask me difficult, ask me some other questions. It will do that work. The second example, I'm preparing for a geography test focused on Asian countries. This is more of a for a students who are like very young, in the 5th class or 10th class maybe. So Asian countries and their capitals. Could you generate a short quiz with 10 questions asking about the capital cities of various Asian countries? Please list the question first, followed by the correct answer in separate section. So I'll write here, let's say, give me an MCQ format. MCQ format. So this is giving me all the questions in the MCQ format. Question 1, what is the capital of Japan? 4 options. Second, which city serves as capital of India? It's New Delhi. I stay in India and India is my country. The capital of China, all the options are given. Which capital of South Korea? And all the options are given here. So this way it is testing my knowledge and I can give the answers as well. But however, it has already given the answers of all these places already in this below part. Now you can also ask them in any format. This is 10 MCQ. I can ask them, give me 100 MCQ. So if you're a student, you can test your knowledge by using this ChatGPT. If you're a teacher, you can quickly get the questions for your students. If you have limited time, you can plan the questions that give me on Asian countries, take a printout, circulate with all the students, and they'll give the answers for you. This is the most beautiful part about this ChatGPT. How do you test your knowledge with the help of ChatGPT for any grade? First class, 10th class, or maybe any college or PhD you can pick up. I hope you have understood how to test your knowledge using ChatGPT, and that's all for this video.